In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove one of your followers on Instagram. So what this will do is it'll do exactly what I said. It'll remove them from following you. So they won't be able to see anything that you post, and it will not notify them if you do this. So go to your profile, go to your followers, and find the person that you want to remove. And then you're going to click on this button that says remove, and it'll ask you to confirm it. So, and it says right there, Instagram will not tell the person that they're being removed. Click remove. And you'll see up here that they have been removed. So that's how you remove a follower on Instagram. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to help you out.